In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Cradl AI agent to Microsoft Excel. It requires no coding and it's super simple. Let's get right to it. So I'm in the workflow section and I click on Add Export, find Microsoft Excel, let it load for a second, then we open it and we'll sign in with our Microsoft account. Note that you need to use a professional account. Personal accounts will not work. Now the account is connected and you can choose how you want your data exported. You can export to separate workbooks. The agent will then export each process document to its own Excel workbook. In this case, all you need to do is select the folder in OneDrive where you want the workbooks exported and you are done. That's it. Now, the other option is to export data to a single workbook where you append all results into one shared workbook table. In this case, you first need an Excel file in OneDrive that contains a table. So in my Excel sheet, I'll insert a table and I'll create columns with the fields I want extracted. So I add supplier, I add invoice number, total amount, and so on. Now back in Cradl, what we need to do is to select the workbook. Then we need to select the table, go, and now the last thing we need to do is to map the columns in your workbook to the corresponding fields from your AI agent. So we'll just find the invoice ID, supplier, and the total amount. There we go. Perfect. Now we can head over to runs and give it a try. So I'll just upload a document. And there we go. You can see the agent is working. The data is being extracted and validated by the AI. And we can see the Excel icon. That's a good sign. The export is in progress. And it's successfully exported. Now let's check our Excel sheet and look what we got here. The values has been magically inserted, exactly like we wanted it. And that's it. We're all done. Thank you for watching. See you next time.